everyone, my name is Jennifer and you are welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making Obiokpo soup. It's tomato soup with okra. You can add any vegetable of your choice. It's a Nigerian delicacy and today I'm going to be adding spinach to the soup. If you've never heard of this soup, it's an absolute delicious meal to eat. It's so nice. I would like you to try it. And please leave your comment down below to tell me how it went. I will appreciate that. So let's get to the video. Going to be using turkey thighs and husk tongue. Turkey thighs with hot water, wash thoroughly, season with seasoning cubes, salt, onions, ginger powder or fried ginger, and any seasoning of your choice. Add some water. Cook till soft. Wash the ox tongue thoroughly with hot water. Peel off those layers that are not edible. Wash until it's clean and cut into your desired sizes. Season with seasoning cubes, salt, onions, ginger powder, whatever seasoning you prefer. Add some water. Cook till soft. Wash and slice the okra. Wash and slice the spinach. Blend tomatoes, onion, scotch bonnet peppers, and crayfish in a blender. Heat up oil in the pot and add the blended mix. Add stockfish. Add blended crayfish. Add meat stock. Add seasoning cubes and salt to taste. Add some water in order for it to have a loose consistency. Allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Add the meat. Add okra. Add spinach and stir together. Allow it to cook for about 1 minute and turn off the heat, and your delicious Obiokpo soup is ready. It's absolutely delicious. You can pair with any swallow of your choice. Try it out and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.